We are Pro-tork Automotive, and today we are going to reveal 3 lies that dealerships tell every day to make millions off you. This information could literally save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. And most importantly, everything we're about to reveal is legal and is your right as an Aussie consumer. So if you own a car, be it a Hilux, BMW, or any other brand, this video is for you. The first and biggest lie: only original parts fit your car. Guys, this is a lie that moves billions of dollars. Here's the inside scoop: a lot of the time, the original part and the parallel part actually come from the exact same factory. Yep, you heard that right. Take this for example: a brake pad with a fancy brand logo might set you back $180, but the exact same pad from the same manufacturer, just without the logo, costs $90. Same factory, same quality, but half the price. How does this work? The original manufacturer, for example, has a contract to supply pads to a premium brand. It produces 10,000 pieces. 7,000 go to the automaker with their logo. These are the originals. The other 3,000 the manufacturer sells on the market without the logo. These are the OEM or parallel. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. It's the same part, made on the same production line, with the same quality standards. The only difference is the logo. Now comes the math that dealerships don't want you to do. If you save $100 per service by using OEM parts of equivalent quality, over 5 years you save $1,000 or more. Money that stays in your pocket. The second lie is one of the most serious because it is illegal under Aussie law. If you don't get service done here, you void your warranty. Guys, this is a crime. Australian law, specifically the Consumer Protection Act, is crystal clear. You have the right to choose where to get your car serviced without voiding your warranty. The law clearly states that the warranty can only be voided if, first, an inferior quality part is used, second, if the service is performed improperly, or third, if it is not properly documented. Put simply, any qualified workshop can do the job if they use parts of equal quality, follow the manufacturer's specs, and make sure everything's properly documented. Here at Pro-tork, for example, we document every service as required by law. We use OEM parts of equivalent quality and follow manufacturer specifications exactly. Result: your warranty is still valid. The third lie is more subtle, but equally expensive. You need to replace everything together. This is the famous disguised upsell. Here's a classic: you go in just to swap out your brake pads, which should be $120. But then the service advisor pipes up, "Oh, mate, if you only change the pads, you'll mess up the disc, best change that too. And since we're at it, let's swap the fluid as well. That'll be $480. Suddenly, your bill's gone up 4 times for stuff you probably don't even need. The truth? In most cases, you can replace components individually. Pads don't necessarily ruin the disc. Shock absorbers can be replaced individually if the other one is good. Of course, there are real exceptions. Tires are best changed in pairs at least. Spark plugs too, but these are exceptions, not the rule. If you're wondering whether it's really needed or just an upsell, here's an easy way: ask to have a look at the issue yourself. A good workshop will happily show you exactly why a part needs replacing. Just ask things like, "Can I have a look at the problem?" or "Why do I need to swap this part out?" or even, "What if I just replace this bit?" A good mechanic will walk you through it and give you straight answers. If they start making excuses or dodge your questions, that's a red flag. First up, always ask for a written quote that lists every item. Second, make sure you see the problem before agreeing to any work. Third, check prices online. The internet's your mate. Fourth, know your rights. Aussie laws are on your side, so make the most of them. And fifth, pick workshops that are upfront about using genuine parts and happy to show you the paperwork. Look, calling out these dealership tricks isn't about having a go at everyone. Some are fair. It's about looking out for your rights and your wallet. With this information, you can easily save $1,000 to $3,000 per year, depending on your car. That's money that stays with you and your family. If this video made you think twice, leave us a like. Ever been through something like this? Drop your story into the comments. And don't forget to share. Being in the know makes all the difference. Subscribe to the channel for more truths about the automotive world. And remember, your car, your choices, your rights. Until next time.